I'm very happy to be here with all of you today for the pop-up exhibit and book signing of Vice President Sara Duterte. This gathering comes at an important moment in our national life, as the Vice President has recently declared her intention to seek the presidency. Such announcements are always significant, not only for the individual concerned, but for our democracy. They invite reflection, conversation, and renewed engagement from our people, especially when we consider that in our country's history, 6 of our vice presidents, Sergio Osmeña, Elpidio Quirino, Carlos Garcia, Diosdado Macapagal, Joseph Estrada, and Gloria Macapagal Arroyo eventually rose to the presidency. We also meet at a time when constitutional processes are unfolding, including impeachment hearings. I myself went through impeachment proceedings 4 times, and therefore I have some insights into this process. In a democracy governed by the rule of law, such mechanisms should neither be personal nor political theater. It is important that those in charge conduct the proceedings with sobriety, fairness, and fidelity to the law, free from prejudice, and mindful that institutions must be stronger than momentary passions. Speaker Bogie D. has said that the hearings on the impeachment complaints will be tackled fairly. The eyes of the Filipino nation are upon us in Congress. Thus, as we start the floor debates, I urge my fellow congressmen to do so in the spirit described by Speaker Bogie D. Today, the center of the event on ideas thoughtfully put to paper. This process allows leaders who have been vice president, including myself, to share our convictions, explain our perspectives, and contribute to the marketplace of ideas in a manner that encourages dialogue. I congratulate the Vice President on this event and extend my best wishes as she shares her work and the work of other Vice Presidents, including myself, with the public. As we look ahead, may we all conduct ourselves with a deep sense of responsibility to the nation. Leadership contests should not weaken us. When guided by principle, they can strengthen democratic choice. So to all of you and all of us, happy 90th anniversary to the office of the Vice President. Maraming salamat.